Hello everyone, good morning. In this tutorial, we'll see how can we launch a WordPress site within 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, so let's say in many cases, you just need a WordPress site to check a new feature or to test it out something. So you don't have the energy to install it locally, configure it, launch it, then actually do the work, install any plugins, necessary plugins. Okay, you just test it out a simple plugin or simple feature, or you want to show the site to a customer for a very small feature. Okay, so you don't want to put it in your domain or hosting or anything like that. Just want a simple site to test it out or show to someone. Okay, so the site is called the tool we are using is called InstaWP. It's a very good and reliable option for development tool. Okay, so let's see what we'll get by with these tools. It's said it instant site. As the name suggests, you immediately get a WordPress instance ready to go. Okay, no server, free SSL certificate, automatic domain, PHP and WP version modifications, inbuilt tools. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, first of all, you have to register to the site. I have already registered to the site, so it will take me to the dashboard. You can see currently I have one site configured here. Okay, so let's get started. We will create a new WordPress site within 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, so first of all you have to I want to mention another thing, the free plans. If you see the pricing here, let's go to the uh, site again. If you see the pricing here, you can see for free, and you can use 5 active sites. Okay, you can't reserve site for later use, but you can export it. It will provide you 500 megabyte space, 48-hour site expiry. That means after 48 hours your site will be expired. What you can do is export the site. Okay, and there is 3 restores per month. So if you feel like you may need this service, I suggest you to go for the any other plan. Okay, so let's get started. uh, so first of all, I will click add new button. See, here you can choose WordPress version, you can choose the PHP version. I will go with the default configuration, and for site name you can provide a site name if it is available, or I will keep it blank to instant random name. Okay, so as you can see, result site is pro version, so we will not take this one. We will go with the temporary sites, okay, which will expire in 2 days, and that is good enough for us. So let's click on create site. That's it, our site is created. You can see the credential has been given below. This is our site, this is the username, and this is the password. You can copy and manually log in. I will click on the auto login. That's it, our site is configured. Let's visit our site. See how easy is this. It's super beneficial for you to try something new or show something to your clients, as you don't want to upload in your hosting. Just you want to just try and just show. So in these cases, this feature will be very helpful, this service will be very helpful to you.